So you wanted to update your TWRP recovery, but you don't know how to do it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your TW recovery without any root access or anything. Some people like me, I use lots of custom ROM, so whenever I flash a custom ROM my root access is basically gone. So again root my phone is basically a headache. So I don't want to root my phone, but I want to update my recovery. How I can do this? Or basically I do have root access, but I don't know how to update my TWRP recovery. Today in this video I'm going to show you exactly most simple way to update your TW recovery mode. So before I further ado, let's get started into the video. So first you will need UC browser. So why UC browser? Chrome browser, you need to download one file and Chrome won't let you to allow to download the file. To download the file you will basically need a UC browser or like Opera Mini, like basically a third-party browser. After going to a browser, just tap this link. I will give the link in the description. Basically the link is d.dl.twrp.me. Basically first you have to go to this link. After going this link, just tap on this 3 button icon. Here you can see I have already tapped it. Here in third option devices, just go to devices. It's an ad, so close the ad. After devices, here you can see there are lots of phone. Just select your phone brand. In this case I'm using a OnePlus device, so I'm going to select a OnePlus. Whatever your phone is, just select those phone. So I'm going to what is OnePlus? Here you can see I am OnePlus. So after that, here you can see all the OnePlus devices. I'm using a OnePlus 2. I'm going to select OnePlus 2. After selecting this, here you can see we are here, like basically here if a page. Just scroll down and here you can see download links, primary Americas and primary Europe. Here whatever I will select primary America. If you want to, you also can select Europe. So after that, here you can see there are lots of flash file. Here you can see TWRP. Basically first one is the latest one. Just make sure that the file is img file. Here you can see the file is .img. Don't download zip file. I'm again saying don't download zip file. If you download zip file, you are going to you are going to spoil your own all recovery. Just download img file. Here you can see this is an img file. I'm going to download it. Here you can see I am here and choose your download. Here you can see I'm downloading. So I will be going to select my storage. Here you can see I'm going to select my storage. Okay, basically I'm going to select and download it. After downloading, here you can see my download has been started. After downloading, first download this file and select your and keep your on your file internal storage. After downloading, what you have to do, I will be going to show you just in a bit. After doing this, you have to turn off your phone. After turning off your phone, here I am using a OnePlus 2 device. You have to tap the volume down and the power button at the same time to access your recovery. If you are using a Samsung phone, just tap home, volume down and power button at the same time. Here you can see I'm on my recovery. From this recovery, first you have to tap it on install button. Then you have to tap img, install img. Here you can see I am showing install img. After just select it, nothing going to change. You won't be able to see anything. And now just scroll. Just after selecting this, just scroll to the downloaded file, whatever you have downloaded. Here you can see this is my downloaded file. I am going to tap it. Just tap it and select recovery. This is most important part. You have to tap the recovery. After that you have to confirm flash. I have already flashed this recovery. Here you can see I am on the TWRP recovery 3.2.1, so I don't need to flash it again. If you want to you have to just flash. It's going to take just 2 or 3 seconds, then you have to reboot your device. After rebooting, you will be able to see you are basically in the new recovery mode. Your recovery has been updated. I'm opening my phone. If you have faced any problem, please let me know in the comment. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.